Hello guys, hope everyone is well. Friends, as I constantly appear to you with various topics, this is the continuation of our efforts today. I hope you enjoy watching the video at the end. This is our attempt to do something different for you and of course for us. We are on your side in your success. So, let's get started. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our channel. I want to say you again, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, stay tuned. Friends, today I will show you how to completely uninstall WordPress from your hosting cPanel if you deem it necessary, and how to build up an e-commerce site by reinstalling WordPress if you deem it necessary. So let's get started. Friends, to uninstall WordPress completely, first log into your cPanel and go to File Manager, and then go to Public HTML file from File Manager and select all items from here. As you uninstall WordPress completely, select all and then delete all items from here. Friends, you can see that the WordPress site has now become completely content free since we have deleted all the files from the file directory. Now let's uninstall the WordPress app. Now drag down the mouse pointer in your cPanel and click on WordPress icon from softaculas apps here. At the bottom here, you will see a list of all domains that WordPress has installed. Click the red cross icon next to the domain for which you want to uninstall WordPress and then confirm uninstall. Okay, see WordPress completely uninstalled for the specified domain. Friends, now if you want to install WordPress again in the domain and build up an e-commerce site, then just follow the procedure. Choose WordPress version, domain or URL name, site title or description, and then enter the admin username and password, and then click on install button. Good to say, you can select a theme from here, or you can install your favorite theme later if you want. You will get two URL links after successfully WordPress is installed. One is your desired site and other is the WordPress admin panel. So let's check. Friends, this is the page of your admin panel. From here you can customize your WordPress site as you want. To create an e-commerce site, you must first install e-commerce friendly themes like Astra. So let's install e-commerce friendly theme. After successfully installing the Astra theme, install and activate the plugin called Astra Starter Site. And then go to the appearance option and click on Astra Starter and select a page builder plugin like Elementor, and then press the next button. Since we are going to create an e-commerce site, so we choose e-commerce option from here. Good to say, not all the themes here are free, but some are free. Likewise, we have a free theme installed here that will be customized later. Okay guys, your demo site is done. Importing content that is now ready to go online. So let's go. Okay, this is your demo e-commerce site. Now you can customize it to your liking. Okay friends, thanks. Alright friends, be good everyone, be stay close. Then maybe at different times I will come to you with different topics. I will be on the side of yours. Okay, thanks.